Hello everyone. Welcome to Future Capitals. My name is Mohammed Khalid, and today I am going to talk about a advanced strategy. I have worked upon this strategy, and I have backtested it upon Nifty only, and you can test it on Bank Nifty and on stocks also. Means it's I haven't backtested it yet, but you can test on your own. Okay, let's start the testing that what it is saying. Okay, so what are first we have to check the market conditions. Okay, first we have to check the market conditions. What are the market conditions? First you have to check whether the market has opened gap up or gap down. Open price you have to check before before 9:15. Okay, before 9:15, before 9:15, before 9:15 a.m. you will check whether the market has opened gap up or gap down. If gap up or gap down is greater than 0.5% or if it is less than 0.5%, in both the scenarios we will do some different kind of analysis. Okay, so if it is opened gap up or gap down more than 0.5%, then we will do what? We will go for the option selling. That day will be premium decay day. We will go for the selling. If it is open gap up or gap down less than 0.5%, then in that case on that day we will only go for buy or sell, but on the breakout, on the opening range breakout. Okay, okay, let's come to the chart. Okay, so I have opened this chart. Okay, so let's clear it now. So this is today's Nifty chart. Today let's see. Yesterday it closed on 15576 है ना. It closed on 15576. Let me write it here, 15576, and today it has opened at 15629. 15629. 15629. So what was the difference? Difference is 3 and 5, 53. So you will check out the percentage difference. That will be 53 divided by 15,576 on the previous closing price. You will check, multiplied by 100. So how much it comes? Let me check. It comes, I'm using it on mobile calculator. So 53 is divided by 15,576 multiplied by 100. It is 0.34% only. 0.34%. So it is less than 0.5%. So in that case our second scenario will be okay. So we will go for the second scenario, which is gap up or gap down less than 0.5%. Okay, this one. So in that case, if gap up gap down less than 0.5%, then what it is saying, we have to check the opening range breakout. For checking opening range, what is opening range? Opening range is this one. You have to mark high and low of the first 15-minute candle. Okay, so this is the high and this is the low price of the first 15-minute candle. Got it? Now what it is saying, that if the market goes up and crosses crosses the high of the opening range candle, then you will go for buying only. You will buy about this one, about this price. Okay, and if it is selling, if you have to go for selling, then you have to wait till it is crossing this level, the low, है ना. Then in that case you have you will go for short positions only. Okay, if you are buying, then you have to take the stop loss as the low, of the of first 15-minute candle. ठीक? And if you are going for selling, then its high will be your stop loss. Got it? Its high will be your stop loss. Now what will you have to do? You have to match one more condition. What is that? That is, you have to check this RSI also. RSI of period of 9. Okay, you have to check for the 9 period RSI if it is greater than 50 or less than 40. If you are going for up setup, let us say if you are going for buy setup, है ना? Suppose that you are buying, then what will you have to do? First you have to wait for the candle to break its high, wait for high breakout, and second is wait for sorry, do not wait. Second is you have to check whether RSI 9 is greater than or equal to 50. Okay, this is for the buying condition. If you have to go for selling, if you have to go you want to short it, then in that case, for selling, first condition, wait for the wait sorry wait for low to break. You will wait till the low of the first candle breaks, and then you will check whether RSI of 9 period is less than 40 or not. Okay, these two conditions you have to check. In buying position, you will go, means if you are bullish, then you have to check this one. If you are bearish, then you have to check this condition. Okay, now let's come to the chart. Now we will see we have marked high and low, है ना? We will see the RSI is already above 50, so we are not going to buy we are not going to sell if it is RSI is above 50. So if it has crossed downside, it has crossed, but we will not sell. Why we will not sell? Because at the same time, look, its RSI was 53, so it is 53, we are not going to sell. Then what will you do? We'll wait till when? We'll wait till it till the price till the RSI goes below 90. So I think it hasn't here it has gone, but next candle it has turned upwards. It has been next candle has been become a hammer, and it has gone again upside. So we will not take any position this day. We are not entering in any position on this day. No position. Okay, on this day we are not going to take any position. Okay, so let's check it for the previous day. First we have to mark low and high. So okay, so first of all we have to check whether this was the previous close. So previous close was on 455, and this is the opening 437. So it was opened gap down. In gap down, you have to check what if it is less than 0.5%. Yes, it was less than 0.5%. Then you have to check whether opening range breakout happened or not. So you have to mark this was the high and this was the low. So yesterday in my group I have entered in this position. I have entered in short position. I have given that I have entered in the short position, which I have covered it back and exited in the market price when this candle crossed above the high of this candle. So because my stop loss hit at that time. Then what happened? Then I have seen that RSI is greater than 50. RSI was greater than 50 and candle is moving upwards. And also we have seen that it was a gap down but less than 0.5%. So we will do what? Our setup is matched. We have to go for buying. We are bullish this day on the high of this one, on the high price of this one. So on yesterday I took another position which was in that position I bought of call of 15,500 call and sold a far OTM 15,300 OTM call I have sold. I had bought this one and I had sold this one. So in this hedging position I had booked a profit of 1600 rupees per lot. This was a safe position for me, and I took my position till here. I think here I exited my position because some reason because of some reason I had to leave this position, means I have to leave my system, so I exited my position. Okay, let's check on another position, another day. Okay, this is 28th May and this one is 27th May. It closed at 15,370 and it opened at 421. So 370 to 421, it is less than 0.5%. Only 50 points gap up is there, gap up, 50 points gap up, which is less than of 0.5%. You will calculate. Okay, after that what will you do? You will mark the high and low of the opening, high and low of the opening candle. This is the opening candle, and you will check whether RSI is greater than 50 for buying opportunity or RSI is less than 50 for less than 40 for selling opportunity. Okay, so here it has now on near about this on this candle it has broken out, but it didn't it haven't given any confirmation. On the next candle it went down again, so we haven't took any entry. And here also it touched but again it reversed. Sorry, not this is another day till here. So this day we didn't get any entry, so we will leave it. We haven't got any setup. Sorry. Now on 27th and 26th, this is close was 299, open was 323. Obviously this was a gap up but less than 0.5%. We will do what? We will check whether RSI is greater than 50 or RSI is less than 40 for bullishness or for bearishness, and we will wait till the high or low of the candle crosses. On the closing basis, I'm not saying that we don't have to wait for the closing. On the closing basis we have to check, है ना? So now here on the closing basis it has been crossed, so we will enter here and we will check at this price point whether the RSI is greater than 50. Yes, RSI was greater than 50, so we will enter. So what will be our profit booking target? We will wait maximum till 50 points, 50 points of Nifty to move. Okay, if it has been moved in 50 points, we'll book our profit and we'll exit. Got it? So I think on at this point it has been exited. Let us see. We have entered at the high 353 and we got a high of 383. So 353 to 383, about 30 points we got in Nifty. on this day. So like this you can backtest also all these strategy. This is a safe strategy, and you can modify it on your own, but I personally use a hedging position. I don't like trade naked. So this is it. If you want to discuss anything else, you can contact me on WhatsApp. Rest we will see. Have a nice day.